Here's a quick problem. I'd like you to try this on your own. We'll give you the answer in class. I'll check this as part of your grade to make sure you did the notes, and that'll be how I do the real quick on the notes there. All right. Now, today we're looking at heat of fusion and heat of vaporization. Now, both of these are substance dependent. Like specific heat, that means it depends on what it is, the values change. All right. Look at the first one. Heat of fusion is the amount of energy needed to convert a solid to a liquid. And the equation there is delta H of F equals CFF of M, and since it's substance dependent, the only thing you have to know is CF of water, which is 336 joules per gram. Alrighty, so let's take a problem. Find the amount of energy needed to completely melt 123.60 grams of ice. All right, so we take our equation, delta H of F equals CFF times M. We don't know the delta H of F, it's unknown. The C of F is 336, and that's because it's ice. Ice is solid water. And the mass is 123.60 grams. So there's no range equation. We just put the values in. Delta H of F is C of F times M, 336 joules per gram times 123.60 grams. My grams cross out, multiply through. My answer comes up. Answer is 41,530 joules with a bar over that zero. That is my answer. Alrighty, so next, let's look at this problem. Determine the mass of water needed to require 8.699 kilojoules of energy to completely melt the ice. Let's skip on over to the next concept. Heat of vaporization, the amount of energy needed to convert a liquid to a gas. Okay, so that's equation. Looks an awful lot like heat of fusion, but instead we're using these, and again, it's substance dependent. C of water is 2,270 joules per gram. It's quite a bit more since it's taking more energy to move those molecules farther apart. Look at problem. Identify the mass of a liquid needed to convert water to steam if it requires 113.4 kilojoules of energy. So our equation again, delta H of V is equal to C of V times M. Delta H of V is 113.4 kilojoules, but I want that in joules. So put it over 1, and 1,000 joules is a kilojoule. So I get 113,400 joules. C of E, 2270 joules, again, because that's water there, and mass is unknown. So this time we do need to rearrange. So we take M, opposite side remains the same, delta H of E, and the CV, which was multiplied, is going to be divided. So we get delta H over CV is equal to M. Put our delta H in, put our C of E in, my joules cross out, and then my answer is 49.96. That's my answer. All right, so let's copy this last one. Do this in the class. What is the amount of energy needed to completely boil 29.2550 grams of water? That's it. Hopefully that wasn't too bad. Take care. Be good. Bye.